Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Breakout Bag Lunch. Today is January 14th, 2026, and we're looking at a really great reversal in terms of profit and loss compared to last trading session yesterday. You have a profit of $772.20, and this was all from just one trade, just one great trade for the day. I took a short on ES, and that was it. I'm going to call it a day from here. So I'm making this video because I'm excited to share this with you all. Now, the reason why I took this trade was because we had a lot of factors that were in favor of a short entry. And I think that's really key. If we go to this fib retracement. Yeah, we got a fib retracement. And we draw this retracement from the high to the low. Okay. I marked the high and the low, the 5-minute opening range in blue here. And once we had this bearish break of the 5-minute opening range, that told me to look for a short entry, but I was going to look for a short entry here. Instead, I waited for a pullback. So we got a pullback to this 50%, 61.8% area. And once we were in this area, we had another move downward. So the first confluence was the break of the 5-minute opening range to the downside. Second confluence, we had a retracement up to the 50%, 61.8% retracement area, and then a move downward after that. So we had a correction and then the continuation of this downward movement. And then this curved blue line here, this thin blue line, is VWAP. So in addition to the fib, we had a bearish retest of VWAP. So three factors were in favor of taking a short entry, which is why I took one here at 69.60 level, and I exited a nice profit. Now, just looking at the price action after my exit, I definitely could have held on for longer. I think I probably would have targeted at least the low of day for the New York session. That probably would have been a better target, but I'm not complaining. In terms of just my reflection and thoughts on the trading today, and this is just basically a culmination of everything that I've learned based on my paper trading and previous training sessions that I've shared with you all. And that involves, one, not trying to take a million trades, just take fewer trades, but fewer high quality trades. And two, making sure that whenever you take a trade, you don't just have one reason why you're deciding to get in a trade. So for example, that means you don't just take a short entry just because you have a bearish break of the 5-minute opening range, or you don't just take a long entry because we had a bullish bounce of, let's say, VWAP. You want to have at least three factors that work in favor of the type of trade you want to take in order to take a higher probability trade. So again, just to review the trade that I took today, we had a bearish retest of VWAP, a bearish break of the 5-minute opening range, and then a retracement to the 50% area, and a bearish continuation went afterwards. So that's three factors that were in favor of the short trade. And so, just moving forward, I definitely want to continue trading this way, only taking those high quality trades, even if they're or only a few or not at all in a trading session, because this seems like the way to no, this is for sure part of the process of getting consistent results. You need to take higher probability and high quality trades. And if you don't, you're going to end up losing a lot. Trust me, I've been there. Yeah, but overall, I'm really happy with how the training session turned out today. I am not taking any more treats. I'm done. And with that being said, if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave me a message. But if not, then have a fantastic trading day, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.